Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the brand new Sunburst Weather in Grow a Garden 2 and why it's one of the best weather events in the game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, the Sunburst is a rare weather event that lasts for 5 minutes and has about an 8.3% chance of appearing in the normal weather rotation. When it starts, the sky turns bright orange and yellow, and a giant glowing sun appears above the map. As it spins, huge rays of sunlight sweep across the entire garden, creating an awesome visual effect. But the real reason players love this weather is because those sunlight rays can apply the ignited mutation, as it says here, growing plants insanely fast and an ignited mutation. Oh, that's so cool. Ignited is one of the most valuable mutations currently available, making Sunburst one of the best opportunities to increase your harvest value. If you see Sunburst begin, make sure you already have your best crops planted and ready. Since the weather only lasts 5 minutes, you will want as many valuable plants as possible on your farm to maximize your chances of getting the ignited mutation. And I'm still waiting for the Sunburst mutation, guys. I haven't seen it yet. I'm still waiting for it. Okay, whenever the sky starts glowing orange and that giant sun appears, don't leave the server. You could end up with some incredibly valuable crops. Okay guys, and that's everything you need to know about the new Sunburst Weather in Grow a Garden 2. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Grow a Garden 2 tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!